Alright everybody, another episode of Watching Boats with Chuck. We got this parade of motorcycles out here, just chilling, thrilling, and then all of a sudden, dun 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 dun. The Key West Express. She's a mighty beast. That's all right.